name is Abhik Bharti. So today I will teach you how to activate my view whiteboard. So first you have to open the whiteboard, my view whiteboard, click activate. Now here you have to write one email. So I write the email. Now the same email you have to write here also. Now click submit. Now in your mobile you have to open Gmail. So first I start the recording of mobile. Now first open Gmail. Now there will be one message of my view whiteboard. First you have to select the account which you have written in the computer. Open this, scroll down, click activate. Now click sign in. Now you have to again open my view whiteboard from computer. So I open it. Okay. Now close my view whiteboard and then open it again. So now here this type of icon will come. Here downside you will get three icons. So the first icon Google. From Google you can sign in, from Microsoft or from Apple. I am using Google. I will have to sign in from Google. Now select the email which you have write in the first. So I select it. Now your software is activated, but you have to sign in after 1 hour and 1 hour, because it's auto unsign after 1 hour. So I hope you understood it. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.